Tigers and oranges, juicy and sweet. Orange brings smiles to all that you meet. Yellow is the sun, shining so bright. Fields of daisies, a golden sight. Bananas and lemons, so fun to see. Yellow's the color of pure energy. Green is the forest, a jungle so deep. Frogs that hop and leaves that sweet. Grass so soft and trees so tall. Green is the color of life for all. Blue is the ocean, the sky so wide. Waves that dance and dolphins that glide. Raindrops falling, a calming hue. Blue is the color that's peaceful and true. Indigo's twilight, the stars come out. Dreams take flight, there's no doubt. A quiet moment, a wish so high. Indigo whispers, reach for the sky. Violet is magic, a garden so bright. Flowers that sparkle in the soft moonlight. Fairyland wonder, a place to play. Violet is where dreams come to stay. Orange, yellow, green, and blue. Indigo, violet, a magical hue. Together they shine, a rainbow so bright. Colors of wonder, pure delight.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.